मीरा रोड ठाणे नारायणा स्कूल्स द्वारा सीबीएसई कक्षा 10 वर्ष 2026 के विद्यार्थियों के लिए आयोजित विक्ट्री मीट समारोह उत्साह और गरिमा के साथ संपन्न हुआ। इस भव्य कार्यक्रम में मेधावी छात्रों की उपलब्धियों का जश्न मनाया गया और उन्हें सम्मानित किया गया। कार्यक्रम में मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में नारायणा एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस के अध्यक्ष पुनीत कोठापा एवं निदेशक डॉक्टर सिंधुरा नारायणा उपस्थित रहे। दोनों अतिथियों ने विद्यार्थियों की कड़ी मेहनत, समर्पण और उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन की सराहना की तथा उनके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना की। इस अवसर पर छात्रों को उनकी शैक्षणिक उपलब्धियों के लिए सम्मानित किया गया। कार्यक्रम के दौरान विद्यार्थियों, अभिभावकों और शिक्षकों के बीच उत्साह का माहौल देखने को मिला। वक्ताओं ने कहा कि यह सफलता केवल छात्रों की मेहनत का परिणाम नहीं है, बल्कि शिक्षकों के मार्गदर्शन और अभिभावकों के सहयोग का भी अहम योगदान है। ये समारोह जीसीसी होटल एंड क्लब एमरल्ड 2 हॉल, मीरा रोड ईस्ट, ठाणे में आयोजित किया गया, जिसमें बड़ी संख्या में छात्र, अभिभावक और स्कूल स्टाफ उपस्थित रहे। कार्यक्रम का सफल आयोजन नारायणा स्कूल्स की महाराष्ट्र टीम द्वारा किया गया। ये विक्ट्री मीट विद्यार्थियों के लिए प्रेरणादायक साबित हुआ और उन्हें भविष्य में और बेहतर प्रदर्शन के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया।
With 495. Now have Soham Parab with 495. From Mori.
Good morning to one. Very happy to be here in Mumbai to celebrate the success of our 10th grade students. The CBSE 10th standard results were announced a few days ago. Very happy to tell you Narayana once again stands proud as one of the top institutions in the country for class 10 CBSE results. We have 210 students across India who have got 490 and above. 490 is 98%. 210 students who have got more than 490 and above, out of which 36 students are from Maharashtra. They are all here today to celebrate this with you. We have top performers here with Sama Samir Gaud, who is 498, Swara Agarwal, who is 497, Love Gupta, Navya Kabra and Swayam Deshmukh, who have scored 496. Among the high scorers, 5 students have got 495, 3 students have got 494, 6 students have got 493, 4 students have got 492, 6 students have got 491 and 7 students have got 490. Once again, want to congratulate each of the students standing here today, and this success is due to 3 things. One is your own hard work, your own ability, your own dedication to each and every student. So that's your victory. Secondly, to your parents who have guided you, supported you and helped you throughout this journey. And thirdly, to your teachers in the school who have definitely added value to your and depth to your curriculum and understanding. We as an institution are very, very proud to share that for the last 5 years running, we have the topper of Maharashtra in JEE Advanced, who has been coming from the Narayana junior colleges and the schools. The success in competitive examinations is due to the depth of our curriculum, the dedication of our teachers and the support of the parents and the students who have really taken a liking to our brand since we started here almost 7-8 years ago. So once again, I want to congratulate the students who have gathered here today, the parents who are in the crowd today, for their constant support and guidance towards their children, and celebrate today and make today a day where you will be inspired to do bigger things in your life. The 10th standard CBSE exam is not the end, it's only the beginning of a great life and a great career ahead of you. Thank you very much and congratulations.
I'm Swara Agrawal from Andheri School, Mumbai, Maharashtra.
कैसा लग रहा है आपने 498 का स्कोर किया है सीबीएसई 10th में, कैसा महसूस हो रहा है? क्या
मुझे
कहेंगे?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये स्कोर लाके। मैं अपने टीचर्स, प्रिंसिपल मैम, वाइस प्रिंसिपल मैम, डीन सर सबको शुक्रिया कहना चाहूँगी। इनकी मेहनत, मेरी मेहनत सब रंग लाई। थैंक यू।
सर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
मैं बोलना चाहूँगा नारायणा एज एन इंस्टीट्यूशन, इन्होंने एक बहुत ही बढ़िया इंस्टीट्यूशन तैयार किया है ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ लास्ट 40-45 ईयर्स। एंड इस इंस्टीट्यूशन में इन्होंने पढ़ाई के लिए इतना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दी है और बच्चों को इतना मोटिवेट करते हैं ये लोग पढ़ाई के लिए कि बच्चे अपने आप ही, बच्चों की अपनी एक स्ट्रेंथ होती है, बट उसके बाद बच्चों की अपने आप ही बच्चे को नेचुरली आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा मिलती है। जो टीचर्स हैं वो 24/7 हमेशा हेल्प के लिए तैयार रहते हैं और उनका हमेशा सपोर्ट रहता है, एंड वो सपोर्ट बहुत ही बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है या किया है स्वरा के सक्सेस में।
इन्होंने इतना मोटिवेट किया है सारे बच्चों को कि इनको स्कोर करना वाजिब था इनके लिए। इतनी मेहनत टीचर्स ने अगर करी है तो बच्चे तो स्कोर करेंगे।
498 इतना स्कोर लाना बहुत आसान नहीं है। कितने घंटे आप पढ़ाई करते थे? क्या आपका विजन था? क्या किस तरह से आपका रोज रूटीन था?
मेरा कोई फिक्स रूटीन नहीं था हर रोज़ का। स्कूल में मन लगाकर पढ़ाई करना बहुत ज़रूरी था। घर आके जो स्कूल में पढ़ाया उसका रिवीजन, और उसके अलावा थोड़ा और 1-2 घंटा पढ़ना।
So my question is, how the system has helped you in achieving this goal?
The system at Narayana is very structured. We are given micro schedules which provide us with day-wise planner, and also the daily practice papers are conducted which help us get exam ready and also make us aware about our shortcomings. And the error analysis lectures are also conducted every few weeks which help us analyze where we have made errors.
Good morning all. I'm Anshika Sinha from Nala Sapara West branch. I scored 493 in my class 10 board result.
What are the mistakes that what juniors should not commit when they are appearing in the grade 10?
I think they should probably, try to not to make the answers too lengthy, because nowadays examiners prefer point-to-point answers, and there's this one myth that answers should be lengthy to score marks, and this is a mistake that they should avoid.
How does the system has helped you to overcome those errors that if suppose you were committing mistakes? So how does the system has helped you?
The school management system was very structured and very helpful. They conducted analysis meetings after every pre-board examination that helped us to reflect on our mistakes, understand where we were lacking and how to improve us. Teachers also helped us in many ways. They gave us advices on how to make our answers more better and refined.
Tell us about your experience at Narayana and score such a great marks.
The experience was really good. The teachers, they helped me understand my weak areas and helped me improve my concepts.
So your take on this?
Yeah, I think it's a simple maths equation. When the teachers are working hard more than the students, and if the teachers are more passionate than the students, the magic happens. I think I've experienced that firsthand out here, because the teachers are really very passionate. I've never seen this system anywhere else, and I'm so proud to be an alumni.
So my question is to you that what strategies you follow during the exam, because I know this kind of pressure that you must be having. So what kind of strategies you follow, or the suggestions that you got from the others?
Reading time, I just go through all of the questions. Then the easy ones I attempt first, then difficult ones I do later. But I attempt the paper in order. Just the way I attempt is different, and I list down a few key points that I include in the paper, so it saves time.
Scored 491 marks out of 500 in class 10 CBSE board examination.
And I firmly believe that Narayana helped me a lot. Teachers supported us even beyond school hours. The back-to-back DPTs were very helpful, and being consistent was one of the key to the success.
So you take
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और बाकी सब जो स्टूडेंट्स मेहनत किए उनको भी काफ़ी कंग्रेचुलेशंस। और इन्होंने काफ़ी मेहनत किया था, टीचर्स का सपोर्ट्स और स्कूल का मैनेजमेंट, सारी चीज़ें अच्छी चीज़ें।
Hello, I am from Narayana E-Techno School, Bhayandar branch. I secured 490 marks out of 500, and this has been only possible due to the multiple teachers, support staff and the principal. They have conducted many multiple meetings of my analysis and the errors, and they have helped me to cope up with the marks.
My son is last 10 years, Narayana come, but I am very happy कि वो छोटे से बड़ा हुआ तब भी नारायण मतलब उसका घर जैसा हो गया, ऐसा फीलिंग आ रहा था। और अभी भी मैंने वो वहाँ ही डाला है, उसका एक ऐसा फीलिंग है कि नहीं मैं वहाँ ही रहना चाहता हूँ और 2 साल। अभी नारायण इज द बेस्ट एकेडमी ऑफ माय लाइफ।
बच्चे ने तो मेहनत किया ही, बच्चे ने तो मेहनत किया ही, एक माँ होकर आपने उसके पीछे कितना मेहनत किया?
माय सन मतलब मैंने तो उसको अफोर्ड किया है कि बस आप करो, हम पीछे है। कुछ भी होता है तो हम बोलेंगे, आगे भी देख लेंगे, हेल्प करेंगे, देख लेंगे आगे।
I'm from Andheri CO branch. I scored 496 out of 500.
And my name is Kush Gupta. I'm also from Andheri CO and I scored 494 out of 5.
What do you want to tell about your journey?
The journey was good. They supported us from the start to the end. They take the 4 reports which helped us identify our weak points and strengthen our strengths.
And we also had daily practice papers which helped us to identify our key mistakes, and we could improve it in the main exams to solve our doubts and all of that.
दूसरे इंस्टीट्यूट से जो बच्चे आए हैं नारायणा में, तो आपके साथ में कुछ उनका इंटरेक्शन हुआ होगा, तो उनमें और आप में वहाँ के शिक्षा पद्धति में और यहाँ की शिक्षा पद्धति में क्या फर्क आपको महसूस हुआ? कुछ आपको किसी से आइडिया मिला?
We found that हमारे जो टीचर्स हैं, they are more a little dedicated to ourselves, and we could provide, and they were वो हमारे हर जितने भी डाउट्स थे, they would solve it at any time, and they were very cooperative.
Well, I would like to thank all of my teachers. They were not only academically supportive, but they were truly encouraging, almost like a second home. School never felt like a place I never wanted to go. School always felt like a home. And our teachers, they made sure we understood everything, took our doubts, yeah.
To know about many errors. So how do you overcome those errors and how the system might...
Narayana conducts DPTs daily and they are checked within a few days and given back. So that helped a lot, and I maintained an error notebook which helped with my error analysis, and wherever I was stuck or had any doubt, I asked my teachers.
In CBSE 10th examination.
As a parents, how proud you are, both of you?
Oh, very proud, very proud. And he really put in his efforts. There were a lot of other activities he was involved in, like Olympiad preparation and JEE preparation. So balancing everything and performing it's an achievement in itself. Very proud.
My question is to you, parents, that how do you suggest the other parents as well? What type of strategies where parents also have to follow, because we know that you are achieving such good result. Students have to take the pressure, but sometimes they might have been
Absolutely.
pressure. So how do you guys handle that?
Yeah, so I think it's a support system. Okay, right from teachers at Narayana's who really putting their lot of efforts, and parents being there, to ask their kids whether they're able to cope up. And I think balance is very important. Simultaneously, we used to force them, you go down and play. Don't compromise your playing time. Okay, so that really helps. That kind of de-stresses you. So maintaining a balance, being there for him, just checking if everything is, working. I think it's an entire support system that works together.
Hello, I am Samruddhi from Thane branch. मैं समृद्धि हूँ ठाणे ब्रांच से and I got 493 on 500, 98.6% in class 10 CBSE boards.
अब कितना कुछ है आपकी बच्ची के लिए आप अच्छा स्कोर किया, आपका किस तरह से सपोर्ट रहा है?
बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ एक्चुअली, और सारे नारायण के टीचर्स और प्रिंसिपल को तहे दिल से थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ।